Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 working on a Honda Accord crank but no start situation. If you see this green light that is flashing, which is going to be a key, that means your key's not being recognized. I already know this because I've been doing it so long, but I'm going to give you an example of what I've already know. So I'm going to back out of my diagnostic machine. I'm going to back completely out of it and show you what you would be doing with a good diagnostic machine. All right, I'm backing out still. So I'm going to go to the immobilizer. So I'm going to open that up. I'm opening it up now. Let me sit in here and get this a little bit better. All right, I'm going to open up, say okay. Also, another way to tell the fob itself is not responding. It could be a dead battery, but the light does flash on the fob, so that's not even the issue. All right, we're doing special, and then we're going to do special function. We're going to check the status. We're going to say okay. We're going to do a system check, which is not going to be normal. The immobilizer system is abnormal. Check for number A3. No communication between key and immobilizer. So key doesn't work. We're going to hit status log. Looking for A3. We're going to turn the ignition off like it asked me to. And turn it back on. And here is A3. So it says 13. So that means this is the 13th time somebody tried to start this car and it registered it. So I'm going to cut it off, cut it back on. Now I'm going to hit escape, status log. I'm going to turn the switch off, turn it back on. Now it's at 15 because I've done this twice since I've been talking to you guys. So now you see it. 15 times somebody tried to start this car. I've only done 3. So if you see that light, automatically your key's not being recognized. You need to get another key. It's going to be about over $300 because not only they're going to have to get yourself a nice good old fob, but they have to cut the key. Over $300. And then they have to program it. So if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm on your side. Very quick diagnostic, make it completely simple. I did not need this machine to do this. I already knew the way the key was flashing. But that is a good indicator if you don't have this type of machine. You have to go to a locksmith or have a mobile locksmith to come to you to get this key right.